So looking at surgical technologies, if we click into that subgroup, this is where we're going to be able to go over to issues and see that we now have the iteration choice here on the left. I've already created a couple sprints that are listed here. If I want to add a new iteration, I can click on new iteration in the top right. Let's go ahead and add sprint 3. Give it a couple start dates and an end date. Well, I guess one start date, one end date to the 24th through 4th. We can give it a description, sprint 3, or whatever else you'd like to add in there, and you create that iteration. Now, something that is important to see is that it cannot overlap with existing iterations. So sprint 2 actually overlaps with August 24th. So I'm going to put that at August 31st, and to stick with a 2-week sprint, move September to September 11. I'll create that that iteration, and now it's going to take me to an area that shows percentage complete, open, in progress, and completed issues. If I did have issues assigned to this sprint and they fell under the different categories here, then they would reflect that. It also have a running list of issues. So let's go over to an issue, and we'll go inside an issue and click on a particular issue. Here I'll see on the right side that I have iteration. Let's add that to sprint 1. There's milestones, so if we're doing project increments, that's PI1. And this is now where you can have multiple time blocks associated with an issue within GitLab. You can add other labels that the issue may fall underneath. In this particular set, let's just put a doing label, add that, and then it's now saved. So if I go back to that subgroup level at surgical technologies, looking at iterations, what I should see as part of sprint 1 is that issue now listed under sprint 1, and it shows that it is open. If it moves to in progress or completed, it will reflect that in the numbers as well. Now in the future, we have more capabilities that can continue to be added to this. To see those mock-ups, please click on the issue link in the description, and we welcome any feedback or direction that you'd like to see with the addition of iterations now inside of GitLab. We look forward to hearing from you, and we look forward to the upcoming releases where we're going to continue to enhance this capability and make it a better fit for your organization.